Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job today. This job is very dark, covered in brown rot fungi. It's also very green. A lot of moss and lichen growing on these cedar shakes here. We are going to soft wash this property and return the cedar shakes to their original golden beautiful color. So this is a before video. We're also going to do before pictures and after pictures and share those at the end of this video. If you have a cedar shake roof anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you would like soft washed, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. And please stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with cedar roof repair, maintenance, and soft washing. So today we're soft washing this roof, but before we soft wash the roof, we're going through the whole roof and we're fine tuning the entire roof. We're making sure everything looks nice. We're cleaning out these valleys. You can see right here in this valley, there's a lot of leaves. This valley right here needs to get cleaned out. So we're basically going to take a leaf blower and a hammer up here, and we're going to take and pound down all the loose staples on the ridge caps. There's a lot of staples that will get pulled up over the years. So we go through and we tighten everything back down. We clean out all the valleys. We clean out all the keyways. So a keyway is all the area between the cedar shakes. So we like to get that nice and cleaned out. If it's filled with dirt and leaves and stuff, we like to get that cleaned out before we soft wash. If you have a cedar roof anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like maintenance done to or soft washing, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. You can find us on the web. You can Google Cedar Roof Cleaning MN and find us real easy. We have more YouTube videos on soft wash cedar roof cleaning than any company in Minnesota. We've got a lot of experience doing this. I've been a roofer my entire life. And if you need a good company to soft wash your cedar shakes, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, thanks for staying tuned. Here is the after video of the front of this house after soft wash cedar roof cleaning. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft wash, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. And please stay tuned to the end of this video for the before and after pictures. Thank you so much.